A schema is a theme or pattern that typically we learn early in our lives, in childhood, and gets played out over and over again. Jeff Young identified 18 unhelpful schemas, so a couple of examples of these would be an unrelenting standards schema, which is when somebody might have very perfectionistic tendencies and be quite demanding of themselves. Another example might be social exclusion schema, which might play out more in social situations where someone feels perhaps on the outside, on the periphery of groups, and a sense of alienation and disconnection. So at the heart of schema therapy is the idea that for some people in their childhood they didn't get their needs met. In schema therapy we're working with those core unmet needs. So examples of childhood needs are things like love, praise, attention, emotional understanding. And what we know is when those needs aren't met, and especially if they're not met over and over again, then this can lead to the development of difficulties in adulthood, like low self-worth and depression. So in schema therapy, we're looking to identify those core unmet needs, and we're also working towards healing those needs within the therapy. We would work out if somebody needed schema therapy in the assessment session, where we would be finding out more about your difficulties and what your goals are and what you're looking for. So the first thing we would do is to identify what schemas are particularly kind of prominent in your life, how that plays out in your life, and then we would do a lot of kind of therapeutic work on helping somebody manage those schemas.